Allowing unknown apps installation lets you install APK files from sources outside the Google Play Store, giving you more flexibility to access third-party apps. If you want to take the risk and do it, here's how. First, open Settings on your Pixel 9. Then, go to Apps. On the Apps page, scroll down and tap on Special App Access. Next, select Install Unknown Apps. Now, choose the app through which you plan to install the APK file. For example, if you intend to install it via Chrome, Google Drive, Files, or even an app like Gmail or WhatsApp, select that specific app. Let's say you're installing an APK from WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp and toggle on Allow from this source. This will allow you to directly install any APK files sent via WhatsApp. If you have other apps through which you plan to install APK files, you can enable them in the same way. For security, once you've installed the APK or unknown app, it's a good idea to come back to this setting and disable the permission to prevent future installations without your knowledge. Thanks for watching. Drop any questions in the comments, and good luck.